I'm Jamie.
I'm Brent.
From the Stevens Tractor Company, and we're back with another informational product video, and we're taking a look at our garden line row hippers. It comes with a 60-inch toolbar, available in red, green, and orange, 2-inch square tubing. And we got the heavy-duty clamps, fully adjustable, and this unit comes with the 14-inch notch blades.
Yeah, this unit right here is built for you guys with a little bit smaller tractors, kind of like our heavy-duty deluxe row hipper. It's just built on a little bit smaller scale. It is fully adjustable. This unit here, if you've seen our last week's video, this one we have in the upright position, where it gets in tight to the rows and really lay dirt back behind your rows really well. This unit also will take care of your wheel tracks. It is fully adjustable from side to side for the adjustment of the width of your tractor. It does come with 3/4 inch axles, greaseable bushings, and it's a really nice, well-built unit, and it'll save you a lot of time and work.
Yep. So if you'd like more information about this product or anything else, you can come visit the store in Coushatta, Louisiana, call us on the phone, or visit the website at stevenstractor.com.
One more thing, Jamie.
What's that?
All of our toolbars are built quick hitch compatible for Cat 1, all of them.
Yep. Right. So if you need a Cat 1 toolbar, we got them. Quick hitch ready.
All right.
All right. Where was that? Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel because we're coming out with more videos real soon. Stay tuned for that. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Stevens Tractor Company. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.
And Lash Pop.